All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 with 15,000 miles, white with gray vinyl interior, super nice. 15,000 miles. Just got this really bad, this damage here in the quarter. That's pretty much it. The rest of the car looks pretty good. Here's your front bumper. Looks fantabulous. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread is just over 4/32. This door looks pretty good. This quarter does have a dent here. Boom. And on the rest of the quarter, we do have a dent. It looks like something might have plowed into them, like reversed into them like that. Poof. Not a heavy hit, but definitely reversed into this person. All right, so here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Or I'm sorry, your rear driver's steel wheel. And your tire thread is under 4/32. Yep, under 4/32. Like as you can see, this damage here in this quarter. Boom. All right, keeping it moving. Of course, you got power windows, power doors, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. There's a piece of tape of some sort. All right, let me jump into this vehicle. It does come with one key fob combo in owner's manuals. Still wrapped up in its plastic. Take out pictures for more details. Got your AM FM CD player. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera right up here. You got this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Any issues? Your mileage of 15,412. Let's keep the lights on. Keep it moving. Stuff like that. Boom. Rear bumper looks decent. Does have a little ding there. Boom. Doors on the outside look good. All right. This door on the inside seems to have lost it off the track, it seems to be. It's off the track. If it was back on the track, I'm sure it would go exactly where it's supposed to go. But for now, it's pulling out of the thing like that, as you can see. All right. So you guys can see that. This side of the door is fine. Swings out all the way. Boom. That's what one of your doors looks like. Like I said, this one here does not swing out all the way because of that little piece there. See it? But the inside of the panel looks good. All right, and this is of course what your trunk space looks like. Oh, there it is. I just pulled it out completely. Boom. That's what it looks like. All right, this is what your inside looks like. It's pretty good from in here. Looks good, looks good, looks good. I don't see any situations here. All right. And likewise here. Probably now I can get it back in the track. Let me see. No, we need to get a new one. That's all. Hey. All right, and we're back. And we're back, folks. All right. No, I couldn't take care of that little situation. We have a dent here. As you can see, boom. And the dent actually runs on this side as well. This quarter, the rest of the quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. The tire thread is under 4/32. This door does have a dent here, about 3 inches. This door as well is good. 3, 6, about 6-inch dent in the inside there. Door looks good. This door looks good. Here's your core, just side what it looks like. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Your front fender looks pretty good. Front passenger steel wheel. And the entire thread is at 6/32. Lights are working. Car's on. Folks, once again, this is a 2016 Ford Transit, the T-150. With 15,000 miles. If you guys have any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.